Hello there, and welcome to this pre-recorded demo of Capium's Capium Pay feature. My name is Ash, and I'll be taking you through this feature that our customers really love. If you're looking for the right payment feature to streamline your practice's workflow, and for your clients to collect payments quickly, easily, and securely, then you can look no further. So let's get started. First of all, once your clients have been given access to use Capium, they would be able to access the Bookkeeping module. They would need to go into the Capium Pay, and then go to Pay Portal, and here they would be required to complete the registration to begin using Capium Pay. This is really quick and easy, as they simply just need to select this option and they would be sent an email where they would be given the ability to onboard. They'd be able to view all the balance and activity behind the Capium Pay. They can also go into the settings where they'd be able to map up their bank account so that any payments that have been received would automatically reconcile the invoice. And they can also set up payment reminders for any unpaid invoices. So they can be set up between daily, weekly, or custom. When the client has created the invoice, they'd be able to see a drop-down option on the right-hand side where they can either send the payment link or download the payment link. When selecting Send Payment Link, an email prompt will appear, which would populate the customer's email address, and you simply just need to select Send. Once sent, the customer would be able to select the Click Here to View or Pay Invoice option, which would take them to this screen here. They'll be able to view the invoice details and select Pay Now once they are ready to make the payment. The customer can either pay through bank transfer, which is totally free of charge, or they can pay through the card, which does have a small transaction fee of 1.3% plus 20p for any UK cards, and any other business cards or cards based outside the UK would have a slightly larger transaction fee. And that is Capium's Capium Pay feature. If you have any questions or would like a personal one-on-one demo, please feel free to email our team at info@capium.com, or please call us on 020 3322 5578. I hope you enjoyed this demo and thank you for watching.